Dito tayo sa second query, Pastor, na medyo may a lot of serious misgivings. During the last episode of the Gikan sa Masa para sa Masa, I gave the opinion that as an act of humanitarian interest, we may accept refugees of other countries. But I said it must be based on valid grounds. And actually, Pastor, you know, the Afghans come from a state where there was a civil war. And itong mga nationals na gusto ng Amerika na tanggapin natin dito sa ating bayan as refugees, sinasabi nga nila economic, I think they do not want to use the word refugees, when as a matter of fact, they are really refugees. Palaro lang ito. It's a question of semantics. You know, when you escape from your country because you're out to be killed, or there will be serious retaliation against you, or in this in the Afghanistan, there was a change of government and the rebels won. And itong mga tao na sinasabi nila na economic, I forgot the term, economic
migrants.
Migrants. Itong, you know, when we deal in diplomacy, we must deal in good faith. Do not change the status of the term refugees to economic. Kasi kung economic, bakit sila magpunta dito? If they are considered economic migrants, well, kung may pera sila economic, doon na sila sa Afghanistan mag-invest.
Right.
It presupposes that investment, magpunta sila dito economic, that they have something to contribute to the economy. But far from it, actually. It is the convenient way of the United States from saving